So this is 8x1 multiplexer. Multiplexer is a digital switch that selects one of many input signals and forwards the selected input to a single out line. It uses select line to choose which input to send the output. So the purpose of this 8x1 multiplexer is that it has its 8 input lines. This is from D0 to D7. There are 8. And it has 3 selection lines. You can find them down here. That is the S0 to S2. Based on the combination of the selection lines, only one data input, so only one data input from here can pass to the output at a given time. This is the output. So only one data can pass to the output at a given time. So let's get to the key components of this 8x1 multiplexer. It has an input, as I've already touched on. So from D0 to D7. It has a selection line from S0 to S2. It has a NOT gate, and these are the NOT gates. The NOT gates are right here. It has a NOT gate, and it has an AND gate, and these are the AND gates right here. And it has an OR gate, which combines the output from all the N so that only the selected inputs will goes out or be displayed right here. So we get to the working principle of this type of multiplexer. The selection line, that is S0, S1, and S2, form 3-bit binary number. That is, it determines which input D0 to D7 is selected. For example, if S2, S1, S0 is equal to 111, the input is D7. So that means if here is equal to 111, then that means this one rather is selected. The input here, D7, is selected. So once you select and you turn here to 11, that means this input here is selected. So once here turn it to 0, it will select different inputs rather than this side. Okay, so let's get to. So each AND gate is enabled by the unique combination of the select lines. They are a vectored version, and enabled AND gates allow it to correspond with the data input to pass through. The output of all AND gates is fed into one NOR gate. So the output of all AND gates, so the output of all AND gates is fed. The output of all AND gate is fed into the NOR gate. That is the OR gate. So the output from here will be fed to this part. So we can give a real life example, that is a practical TV remote. You have multiple input sources. So when you press S0, S1 or S2 to choose one, the TV output displays only the selected source instead of displaying all the other channels. So finally, we will conclude and say that this 8x1 multiplexer is practically used, especially in our TV operations and other telebroadcasting channel selections. Thank you.